Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's continue with 18.4. Yesterday we had done till sum number 6. We'll start with sum number 7 today. We'll try to regularize things from now onwards so that we finish off this chapter mensuration as soon as possible. So let's start. So sum number 7, a solid sphere of radius 3 centimeters melted and then casted into small spherical balls, each of diameter 0.6 centimeter. Find the number of small balls thus obtained. एक बड़े स्फीयर से छोटे छोटे बॉल्स बने, उनका नंबर फाइंड करना है हमने, ठीक है, जिसका कि रेडियस 3 सेंटीमीटर है. इसको मेल्ट करके कास्ट करके स्मॉल स्फेरिकल बॉल्स बने जिनका डायमीटर दिया गया है 0.6 centimeters. So coming on to the solution, since मैंने वो उल्टा लिखा था कि since समझ में आएगा, पर कई बच्चों को नहीं आएगा, इसलिए दोबारा से वर्ड्स पे. Since solid sphere is melted and casted into small spheres, therefore number of balls formed is equal to volume of solid sphere over volume of one sphere. Okay. See here it is given 0.6. This is going to be the diameter is 0.6 centimeters. So the radius will be 0.3 centimeters of the small spherical balls. I haven't mentioned in detail right now. I didn't write. I've directly gone to this, but I hope you take it into consideration and try understanding the like this. 4 pi r 1 cube over 4 pi r2 cube. Okay, this goes this. This is given r1 we know is 3 centimeters. 3 into 3 over 0.3 into 0.3 into 0.3. Let's simplify. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. To 3 decimal places, so it will become 0.027. Okay, into 1000 over 1000 will give you 27 over 27 ones. You will get the number of balls is 1000. Therefore, number of balls, small spherical balls, is equal to 1000. This is the required answer. Coming on to sum number 8. A solid cylinder of silver 9 centimeters high and 4 centimeters in diameter is melted and recasted into a right circular cone of diameter 6 centimeters. Find the height and the total surface area of the cone. At the same time, they have given given what they have stated is give the answer in 1 decimal till 1 decimal place. The solution, पहले सब में मैंने given नहीं लिखा था, अभी लिखते हैं, ठीक है. Given solid cylinder of silver in solid cylinder of silver is equal to height is given 9 centimeters, diameter is given as 4 centimeters, therefore radius will be 2 centimeters. This is in the case of solid cylinder. Okay, and then we'll find the volume of, therefore volume of a solid cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Will give you 3.14. They have mentioned you have to use pi 3.14. into 4 into 9, 2 r square, okay? 3.14 into 4 into 9 will give you 11304 centimeter cube, okay? Therefore, next part simultaneously solve करते जाएंगे ना, step by step it will become easier. Then coming on to the right circular cone, diameter is what? 6 centimeters. We have to find the height and we are supposed to find the total surface area. So the radius will become 3 centimeters. So volume of the right circular cone, volume of the cone is 1/3 pi r square h. 1/3 into 3.14 into 3 into 3 into h. This 3 gets cancelled with this. Will give you 3.14 into 3 into h will give you 9.42 h. So on the comparison of the volume of solid cylinder is equal to volume of the cone, we'll find the height. So volume of the solid cylinder obtained is 1130.4 is equal to 9.42 h. 11304 over 9.42 is equal to h. On cancellation you get as 12. So height obtained is equal to 12 centimeters. Okay. This is the first question they have asked you. Then they have asked you to find the total surface area, right? So for this total surface area we need the total surface area का formula क्या है? Total surface area का formula क्या है? Pi r L plus r, okay? We need what? Your L. So what we'll do is we'll calculate L first. L square is equal to r square plus h square. इसके लिए हम पहले ये find करेंगे. L square क्या आ जाएगा? Is equal to 3 the whole square plus 12 the whole square will give you 9 plus 144 will give you 153. This will give you 12.36. L is what? 12.36 centimeters. Okay. Then the total surface area is equal to 3.14 into 3, 12.36 plus 3 will give you 9.42, 15.36 will give you 144.6912. This is going to be your total surface area. So this is your answer 1 and this is going to be your answer 2. So this is 7th and the 8th sum till now. Coming on to the 9th sum. This sum is again a comparison of volumes, okay? So let's start with it. The radii of the two bases of two circles. आप लोग ना उस बॉर्डर्स देख के बोर हो गए होंगे, इसलिए मैंने अच्छा डेकोरेटिव बॉर्डर बनवाया आज, ठीक है? The radii of the bases of two right circular cones of same height are R1 and R2 respectively, ठीक है? Bases का दिया हुआ है. The cones are melted and recasted into a solid sphere of radius R. Show that the height of each cone is given by h is equal to 4r cube over r1 square plus r2 square. So let's start. Solution. Let h be the height of each cone. Then sum of volumes of two cones is equal to volume of the sphere. 1/3 pi r, अभी वॉल्यूम ऑफ दिस टू कोन्स 1/3 pi r1 square plus 1/3 pi r2 square h is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. Okay, simply कॉमन ले लिया हम लोगों ने 1/3 pi h r1 square plus r2 square will give you 4/3 pi r cube. Okay. Okay, this what happens is pi gets cancelled with pi. H r1 square plus r2 square is equal to 4/3 into 1/3, sorry 3/1 हो जाएगा वहाँ जाके 3/1 r cube. This gets cancelled with this. H is r1 square plus r2 square is equal to 4r cube. Okay. Therefore, h is equal to 4r cube over r1 square plus r2 square. This is the required answer or the solution for it. You had to prove this. Okay. Coming on to sum number 10. A spherical ball of lead 3 centimeters in diameter is melted and recasted into 3 spherical balls. एक को 3 में कन्वर्ट करा है, उसका डायमीटर दिया है 2 बॉल्स का 3/2 सेंटीमीटर्स और 2 सेंटीमीटर्स. उसके बाद थर्ड का फाइंड करना है. हम बेसिकली क्या करेंगे, इन दो का फाइंड करके वॉल्यूम और इसका वॉल्यूम फाइंड करके उसमें से माइनस करके बाद में उसका डायमीटर फाइंड करेंगे. ओके, सॉल्यूशन. Diameter of spherical ball is equal to 3 centimeters. Therefore, radius is equal to 3/2 centimeters. Therefore, volume is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. As we know, 4/3 pi into 3/2 into 3/2 into 3/2. Okay, so simply the calculation will give you volume is equal to of this 9/2 pi centimeter cube. Diameter of the smaller ball is given as 3/2 centimeters. Therefore, radius will become r1 is equal to 3/2 into 1/2. As we know, it is half of it, right? Diameter will give you 3/4 centimeters. Therefore, volume will be 4/3 pi r1 cube. This is for the 3 spherical balls. हम लोग एक फर्स्ट वाले के लिए ढूंढ रहे हैं. Therefore, volume is equal to 4/3 pi r1 is what? 3/4 into 3/4 into 3/4 will give you 3 3 is 9, 9/16 pi centimeter. Diameter of the second ball. Diameter of the second spherical ball is equal to 3 centimeters. Sorry, 2 centimeters is equal. So the radius R2 will be 1 centimeters. Therefore, volume is 4/3 pi r2 cube is equal to 4 over 3 pi into 1 the whole cube will give you 4 over 3 pi. You have to find the sum of the volumes of the two small spheres, two small balls, is equal to 9 over 16 pi plus 4 over 3 pi will give you 48 is the LCM obtained. 27 pi plus 64 pi will give you 91 pi over 48. We'll simply do what is, we'll deduct the volume of the spherical ball. We'll deduct from this. So some volume of the third small ball will be volume of bigger ball minus volume of the two small balls. Okay, will give you 9 over 2 pi minus 91 over 48 pi will give you 216 pi minus, on LCM and everything I have calculated before, 48 is equal to 125 pi over 8. Then volume of the ball, third ball, is equal to 4 over 3 pi r cube. 125 pi over 48, what we have obtained, 4 over 3 pi r cube. Pi gets cancelled, neutralize with it. Will give you 125 over 48 into 3 over 4 is equal to r cube. 3 ones, 3 16s will give you 125 over 64 is equal to r cube. R will be 5 over 4 is equal to 1.25. Okay, we found the cube root, and then the diameter will be 1.2 is equal to 1.25 into 2 will give you 2.50 centimeters. This is going to be your answer. That's all for the day. I had stated we'll do from 7 to 12, but I am sorry for it. I won't be able to do the 11th and the 12th sum today. We'll put it tomorrow. We'll do it tomorrow. I had already written, see, but I couldn't. We'll do it tomorrow. Okay. Bye. Have a nice day.